Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to charge speaker SONY SRS XB100 using your phone. To do it, you should take a cable USB-C to USB-C, or maybe if your phone have micro USB, so you need USB-C to micro USB. Now connect USB-C to your phone, then open the plug on your speaker and connect him to USB-C cable. We can see a red light right here, so it means that it's charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!